on our big planet. There is a gentle dance happening under the Pacific Ocean that affects the world's weather. El Nino and La Nina, these siblings born in the heart of the Pacific, hold the power to shape our planet's destiny.
Is called as El Nino. Its climate impacts show up mostly in the wintertime over North America. The warmer ocean fuels an intensification and southward shift of the jet stream. This brings flooding to the southern United States and warmer, drier conditions over parts of the Pacific Northwest, northern US, and Canada. What happens is the cooler water on the South American side of the Pacific makes the trade winds stronger. Now those winds, which blow from east to west across the Pacific, push water towards Australia and Indonesia.
Global impacts. The ripple effect of this dance extends far beyond the Pacific. From droughts to floods, El Nino and La Nina leave an indelible mark on communities worldwide.